Today I am eating some jerk chicken wings. I have some noodles, ramen noodles with the hot chicken flavor. I'm gonna put on it. Have me a cucumber in the back. And I'm gonna start off with a prayer as usual. And then I'm gonna dig in. Amen and amen again. All right, let me see if I add some more sauce to my noodles. It's gonna burn me. I already had some in there, but I look like I just needed a little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. And I'm not using the chopsticks today, guys. I'm gonna use a fork. Yep, using me a good old fork. I'm gonna take a big bite. What is that? And of course, we got some water. And it's cold. Excuse me. What you trying to talk about, little girl? You over there making faces. Oh, your homework?
Hey, you know there's some plastic cups?
No, that's
I'm gonna buy more. Oh.
Your tablet froze?
Your
tablet froze?
Go to the internet. You know how it's going in and out.
Who eats noodles and, chicken
And jerk chicken? Me.
for breakfast?
She technically doesn't need to eat breakfast.
I'm not saying she can, just saying it's kind of weird to me.
Some people like dinner breakfast. It'd be good.
You mean that noodle? I'm sorry for that. And you can't reach. Pass me this one there. I'm gonna burn my mouth, y'all. Burn my mouth. I got these jerk wings from ShopRite. And I put them in the air fryer. And I put them on max crisp. I didn't want them to get a little burnt, but I wanted a little crunch on them. If you leave it there too long, they'll burn. How do you know? I left some wings in there before too long, and they would do a little charge. That's what I know. And you see how it is? It's like the insulation in here. It keeps the water cold. Anything you drink keeps it cold for 24 hours. Oh, excuse me. That thing went far beyond my mouth. Mmm. Excuse me, but it's so good, y'all. I should have cut my cucumbers in little pieces and ate it with my noodles. That's good. I don't know what you over there shaking your head for. That is good.
Mm-mm.
This cucumber is so refreshing. Especially when you're eating this hot stuff. Yeah. See how you get more out of the noodles with your fork sometimes? Although I love the chopsticks. No shade on the chopsticks. I'm just hungry. Mm.
I bet it's warmer outside than it is in here. I'm in a full-on blanket.
Y'all got 3 shows to watch tonight. Well, today, actually. My Fatal Attraction show. I recorded them. Recorded them all last night. I usually try to watch them that night, but I was outside underneath the fire, so ooh, it's getting hot. And riding the golf cart.
You weren't riding, I was.
When you went to Housey Road again.
Oh.
That's what you get. Excuse me. But thinking you know everything, little girl. Ugh.
Yeah, but when you missed your show, it was when I was driving though.
Yeah, but I wasn't ready. No, it had just started. Yeah. I missed a couple parts of it, so I just let it finish recording. Last night, we had this car that pulled up, like, in front of our house, like on the side of it, a little. And, of course, my husband was like, on alert, like, what's going on? First off, it came down the street where everybody in the neighborhood could hear it. You heard the car because it was a loud car, like the muffler was real loud. So I'm like, maybe it is stopping to text somebody or do something. Oh, excuse me. But he was like, nah. Something ain't right. So we go up to the front. We got this big old, we take the dog out too, first of all. But he got this big old light that will shine the whole area, the whole neighborhood. Like, it's so bright. He puts it on the car. He put it on the car. This car started up and spent off. It was crazy. Started up and spent off. And it was 2 people in there. And we live in the country, right?
Countryside. Look, there's a tractor right behind.
There's nobody that can come riding down these back roads like this, like
Yeah, unless
they know where they're going, like. Yeah, we have tractors riding up and down this area all day because we have nurseries around here.
Yeah, when it goes down, sometimes there's trees. When it comes back, sometimes it's empty. There's a whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah, so it's not like it's one of those roads where
it's very popular.
like everybody rides on. It's not a main road.
Maybe once in a while, some different cars will come, but then they'll just zoom past. You'll barely even see their car.
But close to this area, they have some break-ins. That's probably why he was on alert. They had people breaking into people's houses. And they were doing it when people were at home. And taking all their stuff. They have got away with $200,000 worth of stuff. So jewelry, everything. They was going to hit a lot of spot stuff. They finally got caught. One of them got caught. I gotta look up on the story and see if the other one got caught. Because I'm sure there's more of them involved. And they better stay the hell away from my house. You hear me? Away from here. Everybody carry in this neighborhood. And like they do a lot of deer hunting around here, so that's all you hear is like people shooting out this way.
I remember there were like several deers in our front yard, and then they went into the backyard, into the woods.
When I first moved out here, ooh, I got hurt. Let me see. When I first moved out here, I had some guys. They used to come around with the army fatigue clothes on, and they used to ask, can they go in my backyard and hunt. Yeah, we gotta go back there. They did a couple times. Then they didn't come back when it was over. What?
Cucumber.
Oh, you gonna have to get your own, girl. I done ate my cucumber. That thing was crunchy and refreshing. You wanted to take my last piece of cucumber. You always did want to take my last little piece. How about you take some of these hot noodles? I bet it is. Anyway, we cut down all our trees in the back. Like there's no trees out there, so no, you can't come back and do any hunting back there.
Yeah.
We still see deers back there in the open field sometimes.
But as soon as they see us there, and they'll run.
They usually don't stay that long, but they used to stay back there.
Yeah.
Cause the guy who used to live here, they say he had a little bench in the backyard, and he used to put apples and stuff, on the bench for the deers. That's why they always came around here. He was feeding them. But of course, that's not gonna happen with me.
I would feed them, but I would go back there and then I'd run back.
No, you won't. You're gonna feed them so they can come back here. I'm not that type of animal person like that. Wild animals like that? No. They can stay on their side, I stay on mine. Trust me, you know they always say, if you don't mess with them, they won't mess with you. Oh, I ain't messing with them, but I still don't trust that they ain't gonna mess with me. Period.
Right. Like if you don't
Like-
mess with them, so
like people say, oh, my dog don't bite. It don't bite, but if it got teeth, it bite.
Yeah, it bites, but it won't bite at you because they can tell that they know you. Dogs
Oh my
are
goodness.
sensitive.
Anyhow, like I said, I don't trust dog. Like I don't trust like just nobody's word of oh, they don't bite, just pet them. Yeah, alright. I am not doing it at all. I'll stay my distance and not take any chances. I won't. I'm getting full, y'all. I think I did my thing on this food, this little meal. This little cheap meal. Not expensive at all. I think these big, it was a big bag of these wings. Jerk wings for like maybe $9.99. Big old bag. You know, the little ramen noodles. It was like $1 for a 5-pack, something like that. Of course, my little mini cucumbers. It cost much. That was a quick meal. And some free water.
Technically, water isn't free. Technically.
Excuse me.
Because you gotta buy water bottles or you gotta buy...
Well, the water's not really free because we buy the big jug of waters. And we had a little machine in here. Water dispenser here, so it's not technically free, but...
Still water.
Ooh, excuse me. This stuff got me burping today.
Burp.
I don't usually burp off water like that. Usually I had some kind of acid in there, but excuse me. Anywho, I'm about to actually end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so when I upload my next video.
We uploaded, no.
You is... Girl.
No, I do post notifications every single time.
Let her... Okay, let's do this again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And turn on those post notifications so you know when our next video will be uploaded.
Until next time. See ya.
Bye.